Hello guys. Welcome to Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, we will look at how to turn off Facebook Messenger receipts. Now, let's begin. Go to the Messenger app on your phone. Once you've opened Messenger, on the top left corner, click on the three lines. A sidebar will open, and in the sidebar, click on the settings next to the profile. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety. And in the What People See tab, you will see something like Read Receipts. Click on it, and you will be shown something called Show Read Receipts. Just turn it off, and that's how you turn off Facebook Messenger read receipts. If you like this video, remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.